Iguanodon, Iguanodon, meaning iguana tooth, named in 1825, is a genus of iguanodontian dinosaur. While many species have been classified in the genus Iguanodon, dating from the late Jurassic period to the early Cretaceous period of Asia, Europe, and North America, taxonomic revision in the early 21st century has defined Iguanodon to be based on one well-substantiated species, Hibernus artensis, which lived during the Barremian Age, early Cretaceous, in Belgium, Germany, England, Spain, and possibly elsewhere in Europe, between about 126 and 122 million years ago. Iguanodon was a large, bulky herbivore, measuring up to 9 to 11 meters, 30 to 36 feet, in length and 4.5 metric tons, 5.0 short tons, in body mass. Distinctive features include large thumb spikes, which were possibly used for defense against predators, combined with long prehensile fifth fingers able to forage for food. The genus was named in 1825 by English geologist Gideon Mantell but discovered by William Harding Benstead, based on fossil specimens found in England, and was given the species name Ianglicus. Iguanodon was the second type of dinosaur formally named based on fossil specimens, after Megalosaurus. Together with Megalosaurus and Hylaeosaurus, it was one of the three genera originally used to define Dinosauria. The genus Iguanodon belongs to the larger group Iguanodontia, along with the duck-billed hadrosaurs. The taxonomy of this genus continues to be a topic of study as new species are named or long-standing ones reassigned to other genera. In 1878, new, far more complete remains of Iguanodon were discovered in Belgium and studied by Louis Dallo. These were given the new species Hibernus artensis. In the early 21st century it became understood that the remains referred to Iguanodon in England belonged to 4 different species, including Hibernus artensis, that were not closely related to each other, which were subsequently split off into Mantellosaurus, Beryllium, and Hypsalospinus. It was also found that the originally described type species of Iguanodon, I. anglicus, was a nomen dubium, and not valid. Thus the name Iguanodon became fixed around the well-known species based primarily on the Belgian specimens. In 2015, a second valid species, I. galvensis, was named, based on fossils found in the Iberian Peninsula. Scientific understanding of Iguanodon has evolved over time as new information has been obtained from fossils. The numerous specimens of this genus, including nearly complete skeletons from 2 well-known bone beds, have allowed researchers to make informed hypotheses regarding many aspects of the living animal, including feeding, movement, and social behavior. As one of the first scientifically well-known dinosaurs, Iguanodon has occupied a small but notable place in the public's perception of dinosaurs, its artistic representation changing significantly in response to new interpretations of its remains.